I wanted to look at Terra Luna Classic, and then we're going to dive into kind of this Google breakdown and what we have there when it comes to the journey of getting to a dollar. So, Terra Classic is currently 94th by market cap. It's sitting at a 0.00006298 level. It is up in the last year by 6%. In the last 24 hours, it's down by 5%. 348 million market cap with $31 million worth of volume. That is a 9% volume to market cap ratio. Again, 5.5 trillion in circulation, 6.4, or let's say 6.5, we round up to for total supply. That's what we're attacking, right? We're attacking the total supply, the circulating supply. We need to see that consistently come off more than what we're seeing with Binance. If we look at the last week, it is down by 22%. The last month, down by 41%. Year, it's up by 60 or 6.2%. But all history, obviously, it's down by 99.99%. If we look at the volume, 31.5 million is going through CEX volume, while 29,000 is going through DEX volume. It's not enough, with the fact that we're seeing burns only on the DEX side. Now, we do have some validator burns, we have Binance burns, we have individual burns, but we need to see a consistent level of burns that taps into this consistent volume of tens of millions of dollars before we get to hundreds of millions or billions of dollars. So trying to get exchanges on board is very difficult, because I think there's two ways of looking at this, right? Where investors are investors because you want to make money, but then there's also the investors that want to be in it for the long haul, for the recovery, right? Majority of people that are looking at this, like, I want Terra Luna Classic to go to a dollar so my 20 million coins can be worth $20 million. It's all about the gains within it. While an investor should think of that, we should also focus on the reason as to why it would get to those levels, or surpass those levels, or hold those levels. So the recovery is very important. I know someone in the comments said recovery, just your dream. I mean, in a sense, you're right. There are a lot of investors that don't see the recovery as the future, right? Don't see the recovery as their plan. They see it as, we are going to decrease the supply as much as you can to make Terra Luna Classic increase so they can make money from it. It is not just a money grab. It is not just it's not a meme coin. It's not just a popular coin. It has popularity. It has use. It has a community. And we can all come together to recover this thing and get it back to what it was, utility wise, get it back to what it was, DApp wise, building wise, but then also create something new. See more security within it. There's just a lot that we could take from this and go, this is where we go, right? The sky isn't just the limit. We can go far beyond that, right? So, anyways, Terra Luna Classic at 0.00006299. If we jump into this breakdown, right? Terra Luna Classic, or Terra Classic to a dollar. Before we get started in this, make sure you guys check out my link down below for BTCC. If you use my link, you'll get a 10% deposit bonus. You can get extra bonuses up to $10,055, and you can enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees. You can also trade up to a 500x leverage, and this is all with no VPN and no KYC that's required. And if you are afraid of leverage trading or trading in general, this platform offers a demo platform that you can easily use and get prepared, get situated, get your strategy ready, so that when you do start trading, you're fully prepared for it. So check out my link down below for BTCC. I think you'll really enjoy this platform. I've been using it for over a year and a half, and it's been great to me. So check it out. What is the path? Now, this brings up information from one of my previous videos, where there are three easy ways to get Terra Luna Classic to reach $1. To break it down at a high level, massive supply reduction, which is token burns, a token reset or reverse split, in my opinion, and then restoring the ecosystem utility. Now, restoring the ecosystem utility is what we've been on for the longest time. The issue with that is that if we are restoring it to what it was and what it did, we have to get the price back to where it was. We have to get the supply back to what it was. So yes, you can have the utility, but you have to have people having a reason to go back to the chain and continue to use the chain, utilize the chain in a large way. I honestly don't think that we are there yet where we can see massive groups of people want to use the classic chain for anything at the moment. Yes, you have the community and you have maybe some smaller businesses and stuff like that that could potentially utilize it. Online businesses is what I'm saying, or let's just call them DI businesses, builders. But it's not going to be a massive level of volume, as you've seen. It's $29,000 through CoinMarketCap that we've seen. But to break this down a little bit more, massive supply reduction, token burns. Transaction taxes. The community previously implemented a burn tax of 0.5% on-chain transactions to slowly remove coins from circulation. You need exchange support, achieving widespread unanimous support for major centralized exchanges to apply burn mechanisms on off-chain trading is a crucial yet highly difficult goal. And we all know that it's difficult, right? We've tried, not to the best of our ability, but we've definitely tried. And seeing that I've reached out to multiple exchanges, I've talked to multiple exchanges, and the issues that we have there is like they don't think it's a right idea because the mindset is not in the right area. It's not about like they don't think that it can work. The mindset behind Terra Luna Classic is to just make money for a lot of investors, which is, I mean, it's understandable, but if we don't have a plan to keep Terra Luna Classic there, it is not worth their time and effort to implement a burn tax for us to just make money, right? For us to just sell and give up on that position, which then it looks bad for anybody that's left holding Terra Luna Classic, which could be the exchanges. Now, if there was a path to where Terra Luna Classic can fully recover and have a reason to hold it for the long term, now it looks like long-term holders are benefiting the most, which would be the exchanges. You know what I mean? So you need that widespread support, unanimous support from major centralized exchanges. A token reset or reverse split. This is something that I am a big fan of and a lot of other people are not. When we get to a point where everybody is on board with the how it recovers, the utility, the not just the success from the price gain, but a decrease in the supply, consistent decrease in the supply, we can then cut to the place that we want. So say we end up burning and the mechanism gets it all the way down to 1 trillion coins. It gets it down to 1 trillion coins. We could easily say, let's do a reverse split, taking away, I pay 100, each 100 of mine will then get back 1. So 100 to 1 reverse split. And now that means that while it's at a 1 trillion coin supply, if everybody gave up 99, basically 99% of what they hold, you now lean on the 1% of what you have, meaning that if you have 100 million, you now go down to 1 million. If you have 1 million, you now go down to 10,000, right? Is that right? You lose 2 zeros. So the point is that you were able to gather or get rid of a lot of coins in one sitting, and then you're down to only a 10 billion coin supply, meaning that yes, you may be at from 1 million to 10,000, but it has the possibility of not only going to $1, but 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, or even all the way up to 10 at that point. But then if you continue to have that burn mechanism in place until you get to less than 1 billion, now you're sitting pretty because it's looking better and better over time. You don't have another reverse split. You can sell at higher prices. You can sell at $5 if you want to. You can wait until the burns end up having a major effect and it gets to $40 or $50. Like the sky is, again, the sky is not the limit. Like there's so much more that it can grow to.